Abundance begins not with a bank account balance, but with a mindset. Whether it's a single dollar in your hand or a vision of millions, the way you approach wealth changes everything. Today, we'll explore how shifting your energy and beliefs can turn even the smallest beginnings into limitless possibilities. So get ready to uncover the ultimate manifestation hack. Let's get into the details. Gratitude is the foundation of abundance. It's easy to overlook a single dollar or small blessings, but these are symbols of what's possible. When you learn to appreciate even the smallest things, you open yourself to receiving more. Take a moment to focus on what you already have. Whether it's a stable job, the ability to pay bills, or opportunities for growth, acknowledge it. Gratitude shifts your perspective, turning not enough into more than enough. The act of gratitude also rewires your brain to notice opportunities. When you're thankful, your focus naturally moves toward positivity and potential, leaving less room for doubt or fear. Gratitude sends a powerful signal to the universe. By appreciating the present, you declare that you're ready for greater abundance, creating a cycle of attraction and fulfillment. The way you think about money matters. If you focus on lack or fear, you create resistance to wealth. To manifest abundance, you must shift your mindset from scarcity to possibility. Begin by changing your self-talk. Replace phrases like, "I can't afford it," with, "How can I create this?" This subtle shift sparks creativity and opens the door for solutions rather than limitations. Another key is releasing limiting beliefs. Many of us grow up with negative associations around money, such as money is the root of all evil, or wealth is only for the lucky. Challenge these beliefs and rewrite them into affirmations like, "Money is a tool for good," or "Abundance is my birthright." Embody abundance thinking in your daily life. Instead of cutting corners out of fear, spend and save intentionally, knowing there's more where that came from. This mindset creates trust in your financial flow. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifestation. Close your eyes and imagine your life with $10 million. See yourself living in abundance, whether it's traveling the world, building a dream home, or supporting causes you care about. When visualizing, focus on the feelings. How does it feel to be financially free? Tap into those emotions, joy, peace, and confidence, and let them guide your energy throughout the day. Enhance your visualization practice with specific details. Imagine signing checks, watching your savings grow, or celebrating milestones with loved ones. The more vivid your vision, the more real it becomes. Practice this daily. Repetition strengthens the connection between your current reality and the future you're manifesting, keeping your goals at the forefront of your mind. Manifestation isn't just about wishing, it's about doing. Abundance flows to those who combine belief with effort. Start by identifying one step you can take toward your financial goals today. Action doesn't need to be grand. It could be as simple as researching investments, setting up a savings plan, or networking with like-minded individuals. What matters is that your actions align with your desires. Trust your intuition when taking action. Pay attention to ideas, opportunities, or people that cross your path. Often, these are signs guiding you closer to your goals. Celebrate your progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, is proof that your manifestation is unfolding. These moments of acknowledgement keep you motivated and aligned. Sometimes our biggest obstacle is ourselves. Doubts, fears, or lingering guilt about wealth can block manifestation. To unlock abundance, you must let go of resistance. Start by identifying your fears. Are you worried about losing money? Feeling unworthy of success? Once you know what's holding you back, challenge those thoughts and replace them with empowering beliefs. Forgiveness is another powerful tool. If you've made financial mistakes or feel guilt around past decisions, let it go. Holding on to these emotions only creates more blocks. Practice mindfulness, stay present, and avoid overthinking the process. Trust that abundance is on its way, and release any need to control or micromanage the outcome. One of the most effective ways to attract wealth is to align your actions with your passions. When you pursue something you genuinely enjoy, your energy naturally becomes magnetic. This enthusiasm not only fuels your persistence, but also draws opportunities and connections toward you. Think about areas of your life where you feel most alive and creative. Is there a way to channel this energy into a source of income or growth? For example, hobbies, skills, or interests can often evolve into thriving ventures when approached with intention. Passion-driven work tends to provide more satisfaction, which reduces stress and creates space for clarity and problem solving. As a result, you're more likely to identify opportunities that align with abundance. Aligning with your passion doesn't have to mean drastic life changes right away. Start small, incorporate what you love into your routine, and watch how it transforms your outlook and finances over time. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset. Surround yourself with people, tools, and spaces that uplift and inspire you. Negative energy or unsupportive relationships can drain your motivation and create unnecessary resistance. Start by evaluating your inner circle. Are the people around you encouraging and aligned with your vision? Seek out mentors, friends, or people that share your goals and provide constructive feedback and support. Your physical space matters too. Decluttering and organizing can create a sense of order and calm, which allows abundance to flow more freely. Add elements that inspire success, such as vision boards, affirmations, or symbols of wealth. Manifestation requires patience and consistent effort. Abundance doesn't always arrive overnight. It unfolds as you align with your desires and maintain faith in the process. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a tree to grow instantly. You nurture it, water it, and trust that it will bloom in time. Similarly, small, consistent steps toward your goals will compound into significant results. Stay focused on the bigger picture, even when progress seems slow. Celebrate milestones along the way to keep your motivation high. Each achievement, no matter how small, is proof that the process is working. Resist the urge to compare your journey to others. Everyone's path to abundance is unique, and focusing on your progress ensures that your energy remains positive and aligned. One of the most powerful yet overlooked principles of abundance is giving. When you share your resources, whether it's time, money, or support, you reinforce the belief that there's always enough to go around. Giving doesn't have to mean large gestures. Small acts of kindness, such as helping someone in need or donating to a cause you care about, can shift your energy and attract more abundance into your life. This act of generosity also creates a cycle of reciprocity. The universe responds to the energy you put out, returning it in ways that often exceed your expectations. Giving strengthens your connection to gratitude. By recognizing your ability to contribute, you reinforce the mindset of abundance and open yourself to even greater possibilities. Visualization is a proven technique for creating the reality you desire. It's not just about daydreaming, it's about vividly imagining the life you want while feeling the emotions associated with it. This practice helps align your thoughts and energy with your goals, making them more attainable. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your ideal financial situation. Picture yourself living in abundance, paying bills without stress, enjoying luxuries, or contributing generously to causes you care about. The more detailed your visualization, the more effective it becomes. Pair visualization with positive affirmations. Repeating statements like, "I am open to receiving unlimited wealth," reinforces the belief that your vision is achievable. This mental rehearsal conditions your subconscious mind to seek opportunities and take actions that lead to success. Visualization is most effective when done consistently. It primes your mind to recognize possibilities and keeps you focused on your path to financial freedom. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to attract abundance. When you appreciate what you already have, you shift your focus from lack to fulfillment, creating space for more blessings to flow into your life. Begin or end your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. These can be as simple as a roof over your head, a meal you enjoyed, or the opportunity to work toward your goals. This habit trains your mind to recognize the positives in your life. Gratitude also transforms your energy. It shifts your mindset from feeling stuck to seeing possibilities, which naturally attracts more abundance. It's like telling the universe, "I value what I have, and I'm ready for more." In moments of doubt or frustration, return to gratitude as a grounding practice. It helps you maintain a positive outlook and keeps your vibration aligned with your desires. Manifesting abundance isn't about luck. It's about clarity, belief, and aligned action. Whether you start with $1 or dream of 10 million, the ultimate manifestation hack is within you. Shift your mindset, trust the process, and take steps toward the life you deserve. If you found value in this video, a like and subscribe would mean the world. Stay tuned for more insights to help you manifest your dreams.